All right, next we move to the next presenters. That is Ibu Dr. Yogi Widiawati M. Hum from Polytechnic Negeri Jakarta. Ibu, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you very much for the time given to me. I'm Yogi Widiawati from Polytechnic Negeri Jakarta. I'm here with my team, Faisal Fari and Ferandita. Please, Faisal Fari, share the PPT. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So our topic is about developing digital comics using Android for teaching vocabulary to inclusive students in Polytechnic. Yeah. Okay. Actually, why I choose this topic, because our Polytechnic, Polytechnic Negeri Jakarta, is the only polytechnic in Indonesia who has the program for inclusive students. So what is the inclusive students actually? So inclusive students are students who have the IQ under 100. Yeah. And then why I made these tools or software, because there is a need, a very hard need to make teaching materials for inclusive students, especially in our polytechnic. Yeah. Okay. As I told you, inclusive students who have an IQ under 10, under 100, it means that they are in needs to get a special treatments. Yeah. Okay. Please next slide. Okay. So our research will give big contributions to the Polytechnic di Jakarta, yeah, especially for inclusive students program, because this software will be used and put in their curriculum. Yeah, why they will assist this. I mean, they will be assisted by this software. Yeah, especially for the teachers. Yeah, to make their teaching program easier and then become more smoothly. Yeah. Next, please. Okay. So there are some theories that we are using. Yeah. For the first theory is from Solano. He said that comic strips using tools called Pixton are more effective to teach vocabulary and grammar. Yeah. Okay. Before I move to let me tell you a little bit about Pixton. Pixton is a kind of software who can help people to make comic strips. Yeah, and then it can be used for any kind of language function. Can be vocabulary, can be grammar, can be structure, can be reading, can be writing. Yeah. Okay, the next theory comes from Widianti. She says that comic strips are very helpful to assist EFL to learn a language. And then the third uh, theories come from Swastomo, Indonesian people. Comic strips will help students to increase their vocabularies. And then the last theories come from Darmawan. He says that comic strips is very effective to be used as a teaching media. As you know that since we have a pandemic, everyone has studied at home, and then we need a kind of software who can assist their learning process becoming more smoothly and easier to understand. Okay, next please. Okay, there are some procedures that we have conducted, and then the first one is planning. So we have planned, we make, what kind of program that we can make, and then after that, what kind of chapter that we should do, and then etc. And after that, we analyze those material. And then after that, we come to the third procedure, that is design the program. And then, like Solano says, that Pixton is one of the software can be used for making comic strips. Yeah. And then the fourth procedures is implementation into the software. Yeah, implementation means that we put the software into the smartphone, or yeah, we make it specifically because smartphone is, there are so many smartphone, can be Android and can be apa itu ya, kalau iPhone ya, but this is not iPhone, this is Android ya. And then the fifth one is the evaluation. Okay, next please. Okay, so the discussion will be explained by one of the team. Yeah, Firandita will explain about the discussion of the comic strips. Please, Firandita.
Okay. Thank you, Ma'am Yogi, for giving me time to explain this slide. In this discussion slide, I will explain what are digital comics that we have designed and what is the concept. First, the digital comics that we design, as described previously, are comic strips, which as a communicative learning tool or media should be made as attractive as possible to arouse the interest and motivation of inclusive students at State Polytechnic of Jakarta. The comics that we have designed have reached 5 chapters, which we put into the Android application. Among them are, the first is I Love My Family, the second is Planning Upcoming Holiday, the third is Do You Like Seafood, the fourth is Giving Directions, and the last is What Time Is It? So, the concept is that there are 4 parts in every comic. That is, first, please look at the pictures on this slide. This is a snippet of the first part in each comic. In the first part, in the first part of the comic, we include a conversation between 2 to 3 people whose contents are related to the title of the comic, whose function is so that the reader can easily understand a topic or story in the comic. Next, the second part is vocabularies. Vocabulary makes it easier for students to understand readings or text explicitly and implicitly. Readers will have no trouble finding information in the text. The reader quickly finds the meaning of a series of words or sentences in the text, so that the reader can conclude the contents of the reading quickly. Next. Then the third part is language functions. Language functions deal with the internal grammatical structure of words and phrases, as well as the words themselves. And the last one is exercises. Exercises will be a benchmark for readers to know the extent of their ability to understand the theory that has been studied. Thank you. That's all for me.
Thank you, Fernandita. The next will be explain about the implementation of the program, put it in the Android system. Yeah, Faisal Fahri will explain about this, please.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for the time. Firstly, I want to explain about what is Android. Android is one of the most used operating system on the smartphone, and our team built English learning application for inclusive students to take a name for this application called English Corner on Android operating system. In the implementation, this application is made using a React Native framework. This application has an offline system, so it doesn't require internet connection to use the application. This application is made as interactive as possible, so that users can learn English like playing quiz games. Okay, let's see the demonstration video of the English Corner apps. First, when the user open the application, user just enter the name for login, and homepage will be appear. And the homepage, user can see the user information, the information of the book, and the list of chapter. and user can change the photo too. User may choose any chapter they like by clicking it or touch it. After that, the comic of the chapter will be show up. And after reading the comic, user can move to the other part of the chapter, such as vocabulary page, language function page, and doing the exercises. And the end of the exercises, user can get the score. Okay, let's see the video. That's it. And this score will be added to the user account.
All right. I want to remind you that your time is 1 minute left.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and just it for me.
Okay, thank you, Faisal Fari. Thank you. So we come to the conclusion. Number one, the software is made perfectly according to the planning. And number two, the software will become more attractive teaching tools, and hopefully it will help students mastery in vocabulary. Yeah, especially during the pandemic, where students are staying at home and just learn English subject at home. Okay, so that's all for from our team. Thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Ibu Yogi and team, for very insightful presentation. If you have questions later on, we will have the second session, and then you can have a question to some presenters that have presented. All right.